Dear viewers of the Car and Train channel, with this video I want to show you some of the cars of the famous Inspector Clouseau, who was the main character of the series and movie The Pink Panther. Why am I interested in the Inspector Clouseau? I just let you guess, but the accent may have something to do with it. So, when I am looking for movies and cars, there is a website that I like to see a lot. It's called imcdb.org. The IMDb project is very famous to gather all the movie information. The IMCDB is very focused on cars. And it shows all the cars that are featured in movies. So I'm going to show you some of the foreign cars, especially the French one. I think they will fit well with the theme of this video, but not just French cars. So the first one that I would like to show you is the famous Amphicar. The Amphicar was a car/boat made in Germany. The majority of the cars were sold in the US as a toy car. Now let's look at another famous French car. This one is a minor view. It's a traction avant, a Citroën. Citroën is a little bit known in the United States. It has been featured in the series or the movie. Of course, the famous Citroën 2 chevaux. This one is a very, very old model, either from the late 40s or the early 50s. I would say very likely more in the 50s. Model type. You can see that with the shape of the hood, which is the early hood. Another view of the Citroën 2 chevaux, but this time it's the van version. So a little bit what would be called the truck version. This truck is a utilitarian truck. It's called the Citroën Type H. By the way, today it's very, very popular as a food truck in modern times. This one is a 1957. How not to mention the famous original Fiat 500. Beautiful little Italian car. Let's continue. I would like to show you a Porsche. So you can still see the Fiat 500 that the Italian would call Topolino, the little mouse, and here a Porsche 350 6 Cabriolet. Another Renault, this is the Renault 1000. This is a hearse, so a funeral vehicle that was very popular to transport goods or tools in the 50s and 60s. Another extremely popular car, which is the Renault Dauphine. They made millions of those. That was a family car. This is the police version, and very easy to recognize with the paint scheme, white and black. Renault Floride Cabriolet, so which means convertible, a little bit exclusive, inexpensive, exclusive, sporty for young people car. This is a Simca 1500. That was a mid-size car, family car, also fairly popular car in France. The famous Karmann Ghia, Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, many got sold in the United States. And of course in front you see again the famous Citroën traction avant. And let's finish with the Volkswagen Beetle. By the way, you can see behind again the Amphicar. Of course, as you can see on that page, there are many other cars that I could detail in a second video. Just let me know if you have appreciated this video, and I will be able to put a second one if there is popular demand on the various cars of Inspector Clouseau, because I think that I've skipped almost half of all those cars. Thank you very much for watching, and as always I answer all the comments that you